everybody, welcome to my YouTube channel. I hope you all are safe and healthy. So today's topic is memorandum. So first of all, let's do what a memorandum is. So a memorandum is a letter which is used for internal communication, and in short we call it memo, and it is the most common way to communicate inside your own organization. Now let's move on to the purpose. So what is the purpose of sending a memo? So basically, to provide information, to request information, to inform of action or decision, to give a warning, to give a reminder, or to request an action or decision. So here's a sample question. You are the general manager of BPL India Private Limited. For the last few days, you have been observing that some of the staff members have been extending their lunch break. Draft a memorandum by giving suitable instructions. Now, let's see how to write a memorandum. So, first, write memorandum in caps, then leave a line, then write to, then from, in which you write your name and designation like general manager, then reference number, and it could be anything like AB12, AC11, AB01, because this is only to remember the mail, nothing else. Okay, and then date of drafting the letter, and last subject, then again leave a line. As you know, lunch break is scheduled for 1 hour from 1300 hours to 1400 hours, and in business letters we use 24 hours timing, like 1300 hour to 1400 hour means 1 p.m. to 2 p.m. Unfortunately, some staff members have been extending this 1 hour break, and this caused a lot of inconvenience to other. Then leave a line. There will be a time when you may need a longer break on such occasion, so please ensure appropriate cover in advance. Then leave a line. And we are sure you understand the importance of keeping it to our allocated work hours. Then leave a line. Then one line closing sentence, which is thank you very much for your cooperation, and then last leave a line, and then signature of the manager, and then name of the manager. So I hope you are able to learn something, and if yes, so please like the video and subscribe to my channel, and most important, hit the bell icon for further updates. Till then, bye bye.